Hello, I am Muhammad Rubaid bin Sattar. This is my first video on CCNA. It's about subnetting. In this video, I am going to solve a problem for IPv4. Here is the question. Suppose a big company has 511 hosts per network. Engineering department uses 53 number subnet. One IP address of that company is 172.84.181.245. From this information, we have to find out the class, default network address, default broadcast address, default subnet mask, then subnet bit, prefix length, total subnet, total host per subnet, and subnet mask. After that, we'll find out the network address of engineering department, broadcast address, host range, and subnet mask. Now, if finance department uses subnet number 48, then we'll find out network address, broadcast address, host range, and subnet mask. Here is the tricky question. IP address given, have to find out the subnet, and the reverse, subnet given, have to find out the IP address. After all this, I will show you the connection between 53 number and 48 number subnet in packet tracer. Now the first question, class. Our given IP address is 172.84.181.245. To find out the class, we will look for first octet. This is first octet. This is second octet. This is third octet, and this one the fourth octet. The first octet 172 belongs to class B because class B range is 128 to 191. Now remember, each octet is 8 bit, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bit each octet. Now the value of the each bit is first bit value 1, second bit value 2, third bit value 4, and this way 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. This is actually power of 2. Look at this. This is actually power of 2. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, and this way. Look at this. Okay, now 172 means there is a bit in 128, another bit on 32, 8 and 4. Let me show you, because 128 plus 32 is equal to 160. 160 plus 8 is equal to 168. 168 plus 4 is equal to 172. 172, and the rest of the bit is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is actually 172, the first octet. Okay, now this is just the explanation. What is important is 172 means it belongs to class B, so our answer will be class B. Now the default network address. We know we have class B IP address. Class B IP address means first and second octet, total 16 bit, is network address, and third and fourth octet, total 16 bit, is host address. This is class A IP address example 0 to 127, 0 to 127. For class A, first octet is network address and last 3 octet is host address. This is a class C example 192 to 223. For class C, first 3 octet is network address and last one is the host address. We cannot change the network address, but we can change or do subnetting in the last 2 octet, means the host address. So first 2 octet is as it is 172.84. Now our work will be on last 2 octet. This last 2 octet, each 8 bit. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to find out the default network address. For default network address, this 8 bit will be all 0. If it is all 0, then the result will be 172.84.0.0. This is the answer for this one. And for default broadcast address, this will be all 1. Here is all 1. Now from left to right, when first bit is 1, means 128. When the second bit is 1, then 1 means 192. 128 plus 64, 128 plus 64, 192. When third bit is 1, then it is 224. 192 plus 32 is equal to 224. When fourth bit is 1, then it is 240. 224 plus 16 is equal to 240. When fifth bit is 1, then it is 248. Sixth bit is 1, 252, 254, 255. So this means 255. And another, the last octet, 8 bit, all 1, again 255. So the broadcast address is 172.84.255.255. This is your answer. Default subnet mask. This is class B. For class B, default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. I want to say also that for class A, default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, and for class C it is 255.255.255.0. That's it. Subnet bit. To find out subnet bit, we need information about total subnet or network, but as it is not available, so we will go other direction. First we will find out host per subnet. Now the question says company has 511 hosts per network. Formula for total host per subnet is 2 to the power host bit minus 2. Now 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. 2 to the power 9 equal to 512. If you do the minus 2, it will be 510. But question says company has 511 hosts per network, so it will not work. We will move 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024 minus 2 is equal to 1022. Now 511 hosts per network cover 1022. So our host bit is 10. 10 is your host bit. From right to left, 8, 9, 10. This 10 bit is host bit, and the rest 6 bit is the subnet bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our subnet bit is 6. Prefix length. Now this is 8 bit, this is 8 bit, and this is our 6 bit subnet. So 8 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 22. Prefix length is 22. Total subnet. Total subnet formula is 2 to the power subnet bit. Our subnet bit is 6. So this 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6 equal 64. Now total host per subnet, as we see, it is 1022. Now here comes the subnet mask. Our default subnet mask was 255.255.0.0. 28 means 255, 255. Now for 6, it is all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now 6 1 means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 252. So here it will be 0 plus will be 252, 255.255.252.0. This will be our subnet mask.